Valorant error code 29 Vatican liras typically occurs when the game client is unable to establish a connection with Riot servers. This error is often related to network configuration, system services, or conflicts with security software. Here are the main solutions for this error. First, press Alt-Control-Delete. Click on Task Manager. End all the Riot Games processes like Valorant and League of Legends. Now close the Task Manager. Open Start and type Run. Open Run. Type services.msc. Locate the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Start the service. Close the Task Manager. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following commands: ipconfig/release. Press Enter. ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.